Okay, so here's a short recording of what is graded after the second day of class. So if we came into our class, to do folder, introduction, example lessons, you have to open up these two example lessons. So personal choice activity is one of the phys ed things that you'll do throughout a week. So this means you're just doing 30 minutes of physical activity that you choose. So all you have to do is here where mine says in progress, yours will say my document, open it up to where you see the Google Doc. You're not actually doing any exercises, but here in the date, you're putting today's date, your location is home, we're calling it test exercise, and you're saying the length is 30 minutes just to show that you can fill out this form. So again, as you see right here in the directions for today, you're not doing any exercise, you're just filling out the form with the date, home, test exercise, and 30 minutes. This is only a test for you to learn how the class is going to work for the rest of the year. Second one is pretty much the same, but each week you will do a personal choice, and then you'll also have an activity which we plan. So roll the dice is the planned activity. Again, you'd click on my document, opening up. As you see in the directions for today, you're not doing anything. You're just going down to the bottom and filling out the question, and all you're filling in is your name and the date. This is just a test once again. So scrolling down to the bottom of this right here, test to see if you can fill out this Google Doc correctly. Please type your name and date below. So you put your name and date here, and you would be done. So those are the only two things that are graded at the end of the second class.